Welcome to our latest Take 2. Our latest topic recaps an incident where a foot amputation occurred from falling into a sweep auger. According to OSHA, a worker's foot was amputated by a sweep auger while the employee was inside of a grain bin. The employee slipped and fell into the unprotected auger while shoveling corn into it. It was determined that the sweep auger was not disconnected, locked out and tagged, blocked off, or otherwise prevented from operating, per the requirements within OSHA's grain handling standard. Employees were not trained to ensure that hazardous equipment, such as sweep augers, were de-energized prior to and during entry. OSHA identified that at least one of the employees inside the bin was not provided with training on the hazards of bin entry, and the permit system for entering bins, silos, and tanks did not certify that the precautions required within OSHA's grain handling standard had been implemented. Specifically, the requirement that all mechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic equipment, which presents a danger to employees inside a grain storage structure, be de-energized, disconnected, locked out and tagged, blocked off, or otherwise prevented from operating by other equally effective means or methods. Employers can prevent similar incidents by training employees on the hazards of bin entry and requirements within OSHA's grain handling standard, issuing a permit that certifies that all mechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic equipment, which presents a danger to employees inside a grain storage structure, be de-energized, disconnected, locked out and tagged, blocked off, or otherwise prevented from operating by other equally effective means or methods. Ensuring that sweep augers are provided with guards that protect against contact with moving parts at both the top and back areas of the equipment. Ensuring that engineering controls are implemented to prevent the worker from coming into contact with the energized sweep auger. Acceptable engineering controls may include an attached guard that prevents the worker's contact with the unguarded portion of the auger, a control mechanism, such as a dead man switch, which will allow for the sweep auger's operation only when the operator is in contact with the device. This option requires that the worker be positioned at least 7 feet from the energized auger at all times, and installation of guardrails or catwalks to prevent workers from entering the area within the sweep auger's path. Please be aware that some state plans do not recognize engineering controls as effective protection for workers inside of grain bins. Safety Made Simple offers online courses on sweep auger safety, confined space and bin entry, and lockout-tagout. Learn more about our online training solutions for the ag industry at safetymadesimple.com. Together, we can send them home safely.